Lyla hates the freaking remote control car. You hate it? Hey! Lyla.
Hang on, bud.
Hey, Lyla.
Oh God, Grandma. Yeah, they're totally afraid of it. It was way funny earlier. They were trying to catch it.
You.
Lyla Ray. Oh shit. Oh my god.
We found something Lila's. I want to tie one of her stuffed animals to it and watch her lose her mind, like the squirrel.
Like a squirrel Runu. Watch this.
Do you see who she runs to?
Oh, we have to tape it on there, bud, and make a video.
Runu. Lyla.
She's watching.
She hates it.
I can't steer it right anymore.
Oh. Oh my gosh, she's getting near it and she hates it. Lyla Ray, the Runu dog. Lyla Ray. Hey! Lyla.
I figured it out.
Hey Lyla, would you like to sign out? Say
Bye.
bye, Lyla
Lyla.
Ray.